Amber Heard's lawyer releases a statement denying the actress being under investigation for perjury in Johnny Depp case. Amber Heard's lawyer says she is not being investigated for perjury. Amber Heard's legal team has now responded to the reports claiming that the actress is being investigated for perjury by the Los Angeles police relating to her alleged abuse case against ex-husband Johnny Depp, clarifying reports that claimed Heard could face jail time if found guilty in the perjury case. The actress's lawyer denied any such investigation and also stated that LAPD has repeatedly denied there's any investigation of Amber Heard. The Aquaman actress lawyer, Elaine Bradhoff, further denied the claim, saying the statute of limitation for perjury in California is 3 years and has long since expired, so an investigation, much less charges, much less a conviction, much less jail time, are impossibilities. Heard's lawyer also accused Depp's legal team of trying to stir up the press and prejudice a future jury. Amid responding to the perjury claims, it was also reported by Radar Online that LAPD in a statement said they had never heard of the department investigating a perjury case before. Amber Heard and Johnny Depp's Virginia defamation case is certainly getting trickier. Previously, Johnny filed a lawsuit against the American Civil Liberties Union, seeking proof of Amber Heard's donation from her divorce settlement. The lawsuit has been filed concerning the defamation lawsuit that the ex-couple will appear in court for April 2022. Earlier, Depp and Heard faced each other in the court for the actor's libel case against a UK tabloid over a wife-beater claim, which Depp lost after the judge ruled in favor of the defendants, saying they had shown what they published was substantially true. Amber Heard is not being investigated for perjury in Johnny Depp's ongoing defamation case against her, according to her attorney. The 35-year-old actress lawyer Elaine Bradhoff is denying reports that the Los Angeles Police Department is looking into whether she staged injuries and fabricated a crime scene following an alleged altercation between the former couple on May 20, 2016. The statute of limitation for perjury in California is 3 years and has long since expired, so an investigation, much less charges, much less a conviction, much less jail time are impossibilities, Bradhoff said during a private hearing on Friday morning, which was reported by Radar Online. In light of the false investigation reports, Heard's lawyer requested a motion for dismissal of the 57-year-old actor against her, which was heard at a Fairfax, Virginia court. The London field star would face a reported maximum sentence of 4 years in jail if she were to be found guilty of perjury. Bradhoff also asserted in Virginia court that the LAPD repeatedly denied there's any investigation of Amber Heard. She claimed that the department does not even investigate perjury ever. The LAPD appeared to corroborate her assertion, with a rep telling Radar Online that they had never heard of the department investigating a perjury case before. Bradhoff also argued that Heard would face additional emotional distress if the lawsuit were to continue. She told Judge Penny S. Ascarate that the case would result in more intentional fabrication and deliberate misinformation, trying to confuse the public, prejudice the jury, inflict harm on Amber Heard, and incite Depp fans to violence. Amber's attorney also listed other reasons why the case should be dismissed, including the financial burden that both parties had and would continue to incur with this allegedly spending $20 million in legal fees, Depp's recent court loss, and his defamation lawsuit against British newspaper The Sun, the waste of judicial resources and delay in court proceedings amid the COVID-19 pandemic and lockdown. Bradhoff also slammed Depp's lawyer, Adam Waldman, declaring that he was trying to stir up the press and prejudice a future jury. At the end, Amber's team emerged victorious as Ascarate granted their request to dismiss for a third time in the event that she may be missing something. However, she did warn Heard that she would be sanctioned if it was found that she wasted the court's time. Amber and Johnny's rancorous legal battle has played out in the courts and the media after Heard filed for divorce in May 2016, following the infamous alleged fight. Amber said that Depp hurled the phone at her and trashed their Los Angeles apartment in drunken rage, later releasing photos showing bruises on her face. She testified against him in a suit against the Sun's parent company, News Group newspaper, after an article in the paper deemed him a wife-beater. The judge sided with the defense, saying that there was evidence that Depp was abusive. In early 2019, the Washington Post published an op-ed by Heard detailing the domestic violence that she alleges she experienced at the hands of Depp. Johnny went on to sue her for her defamation. The pair went on the set of the 2011 film The Rum Diary, in which they both starred and began dating in 2012, before marrying in February 2015. Their divorce was finalized in January 2017, with Amber pledging to donate the $7 million settlement she received to charity. Amber Heard is reacting to reports that the actress is being investigated for perjury by the Los Angeles Police Department in connection to her alleged abuse case against ex-husband Johnny Depp. The 35-year-old actress was granted a motion to dismiss the 57-year-old actor's defamation case against her for the third time by a Virginia judge. However, it was then reported that if she is found to have committed perjury during the court case, she would face legal repercussions in the form of sanctions or fines. It was then reported that Amber was being investigated for allegedly staging injuries and a crime scene in connection to a May 21, 2016 incident that took place at the house Amber and Johnny shared in Los Angeles. One of Amber's attorneys then reacted to the reports that Amber could face a maximum jail sentence of 4 years if she did perjury during the court case. The statute of limitation for perjury in California is 3 years and has long since expired, so an investigation, much less charges, much less a conviction, much less jail time, are impossibilities. One of Amber's lawyers, Elaine Bredhoff, argued in court, Radar Online reports. She also claimed that the LAPD has repeatedly denied there's any investigation of Amber Heard, adding that the department does not even investigate perjury ever. A rep for the LAPD backed Elaine's claims, saying that they have never heard of the department investigating a perjury in the case. Elaine also accused Johnny lawyers Adam Waldman of trying to stir up the press and prejudice a future jury. Earlier this month, Johnny filed a lawsuit against the American Civil Liberties Union, wanting proof that Amber actually donated her $7 million divorce to charity, which she said that would do. Johnny is claiming that Amber also donated a small amount of that money to charity. Amber Heard not investigated for perjury Johnny Depp, an ongoing defamation proceeding against her, according to her lawyer. Elaine Bredhoff, a 35-year-old actress lawyer, reports that the Los Angeles Police Department is investigating whether she was injured and forged a crime scene after a quarrel between a former couple on May 20, 2016, is denied.